या वीणार दण्डमण्डितकरा या या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिवेदिनी धीमहि सदा पूजिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा हे शारदे मां अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां हे शारदे मां अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां तू स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा हर गीत तुझसे तू स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा हर गीत तुझसे हम हैं अकेले हम हैं अधूरे तेरी शरण हम हमें प्यार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Thank you, Arabi, for your melodious song. Our management has been very supportive of activities that provide students the opportunity to build their personality, even as the focus is always remained on academics. I would like to express our gratitude for all the support extended to enable us to conduct the edition of BTS Month 21 on a virtual platform amid the pandemic. Let's give a big round of applause to all our well-wishers. What would be MUN without the enthusiasm of the chairs and the co-chairs and the overwhelming response of the students? I now invite the student coordinator Pranav Hariharan to address the August gathering.
Jai Shri Gurudev. Namaste and a very good morning to everyone present here. With the divine blessings of His Holiness, Jagat Guru, Padma Bhushana, Shri Shri Shri, Dr. Balagangadhanatha Mahaswamiji, His Holiness Shri Shri Shri, Dr. Nirmala Nandanatha Mahaswamiji, and revered Managing Director Shri Shri Shri, Dr. Prakashnath Swamiji, I, Pranav, the student coordinator on behalf of my team, cordially welcome our respected Academic Director Sir, Dr. S.A. Nair Sir, Principal Srimati Shikala J. Kumar Ma'am, and Vice Principal Ma'am Srimati Savita Suvarna Ma'am, respected teachers and dear delegates. I first would like to thank the school and the teachers for making the virtual conference a dream come true. I congratulate all of you present here for making it to the third exciting edition of BGS Month. I know what exactly you're feeling right now. The nervousness, the feeling of uncertainty, the anxiety, and mostly the enormity of the conference waiting right in front of you. Delegates, let me break the ice for you. Everything is going to be all right. All of you will be able to ride your tides. The United Nations was established to ensure global peace and progress. Delegates, now this power resides in you. The power of bringing a change, the power of diplomacy, and most importantly, the power to make the world a better place. Today, I see in front of me a plethoric and vibrant array of various representatives from the international community. Fear not to speak and express your mind. Now, it is time for me to introduce the fantastic four committees of BGS Month 21. First off, we have the enthralling committee of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes deliberating on the topic combating drug trafficking in Latin America, chaired by Ujjan Sarkar and Akshita Karthikeyan.
Namaste, Swamiji. Namaste, Academic Director. Good morning to everyone present here.
Next, we have the phenomenal first committee of the General Assembly, presenting you the Disarmament and International Security Committee, DISEC, deliberating on the topic combating violent extremism and terrorism in the Middle East, chaired by Satvik Atluri, Aryan Shetty and Pranav Bhatt.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, everybody. I am Satvik Atluri.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, ma'am, and everyone present here. I'm Aryan Shetty.
The third committee is rather a special one, which hones the quality of journalism and debating, presenting you the International Press Corps, chaired by Siddharth Parmar.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste to everyone. I am Siddharth.
The fourth committee will be the fascinating Social, Humanitarian and Cultural Committee, the SOCUM, chaired by myself, Pranav, Agne S. Nambiar and Arnav S. Nambiar.
Namaste and good morning to everyone present here.
I'm on.
Delegates, I would like to say one last thing. In the end of the conference, it is all about making friends, memories, and retaining the knowledge you gain, not the wild competition. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav, for doing the honors. Now I request our respected academic director, sir, to speak a few words.
Jai Sri Gurudev. Namaste, dear delegates of 3rd BGS NBS MAN. This is our 3rd edition of MAN organized by Humanities Club of BGS NBS, headed by Madam Lakshmi Anantakrishnan and her team. The concept of MAN, in fact, in India, it was, in the year 1996, this MAN started gaining popularity in India. The topics taken up in MAN are reflection of real world issues discussed in the United Nations. The entire process and discussions takes place under a format that is known as rules of procedure. There are protocols to be followed by the members of each country. No one can break the rules of procedure, which is a question of the prestige of member country. Unlike our parliament or assembly, you must have seen the way our MPs and MLAs behave in our parliament and assemblies. And here, as I told you earlier, I had an opportunity to witness at Geneva this UN conference. And 15 minutes, what happened is there, I was in visitors gallery, and in visitors gallery there is a headphone. Whatever the proceeding is going on in the assembly, you can hear. And suppose a delegate is speaking in French, that will be immediately translated into English. In Spanish, it will be translated into English. So this is a procedure, they follow it. So rule of procedure is very important in conducting this one. Students who participate in MAN, you will develop a leadership skill, skill of research, writing ability, public speaking, problem solving skills, networking, whatnot. You will be benefited by so many of other skills. When they come up with solutions, the members, when they come up with solution, it will inculcate skill of negotiation, conflict resolution, and also cooperation, etc. MAN conferences are an ideal way for you all to challenge yourself and improve your skill. At the end of a MAN, the qualities and skills inculcated serve you well in your future endeavor. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. All the 4 committees, you will be doing extremely well and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for your inspiring words, sir. Now I request our respected principal ma'am to speak few encouraging words.
Jai Shri Gurudev, Namaste to one and all present there. Good morning, dear students. Greetings on the occasion of the 3rd edition of the BGS Month 2021. Congratulations to Lakshmi ma'am and the team of teachers and a very enthusiastic students for your initiative and enthusiasm to organize Model United Nations 2021. This academic year also, after a series of success and prestigious achievement in the previous years. Dear students, you are going to experience a very exciting journey through each and every stage of one conference. This is an excellent platform to boost up your self-confidence and enhance leadership skill. You will learn about diplomacy, international relations, and United Nations. This is also a very good medium to improve your public speaking skill, writing skill, critical thinking ability, decision making, research, and excellent teamwork. Wish all our smart delegates the very best for an exciting and fruitful experience as the leaders of tomorrow.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Don't tell me the moon is shining. Show me the glint of light on broken glass by Anton Chekhov, the Russian playwright and story writer. Words capture the essence of MAN. Let students learn by themselves how MAN works. And that's the reason why we have this 3rd edition of MAN on a virtual platform. Now the moment we have been waiting eagerly for. My request, Academic Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am to declare BGS MAN 21 open.
With the blessings of our Gurudev, I have great pleasure in declaring the 3rd BGS NPS month open.
We declare the 3rd BGS month 2021 open. All the very best.
We declare the 3rd BGS NPS 21 month open. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, ma'am. And now I request the chairs to guide the delegates to the respective committees.
Edition 4 years ago, most of the EB members, including myself, were clueless delegates stuck in our first month at the time. And none of us knew about the impact that it would ever have on us. We could never have imagined how it influenced us. Some of us chose different fields. A lot of people found a passion for law. Even for me, as a computer science student who has no inclination for law whatsoever, MAN has had such a significant impact in a lot of ways, in changing my worldview, in teaching me how to research, and in just introducing me to some great people. And it manages to do all of that while being incredibly fun at the same time. Every BGS MAN usually has a very shuffled up, every BGS MAN has a huge impact on the manning situation in our school. The first one kickstarted a lot of people's manning journeys. And the second one 2 years ago was what I and a lot of my classmates at the time felt would be our very last experience with MAN. So it was our way of giving back. And at that time, my chairperson from the first MAN was in my place. So it feels very surreal to be back here as an alumnus. I certainly hope that all of you take back something from this committee, even if it is just a fun experience where you met some interesting people and discuss some interesting topics. MAN doesn't have to entirely change your world, but for a lot of people, I sense that it will change the way you think about your current affairs. It will change the way you go about your life. It will influence a lot of your decisions. And at the same time, it might impact facets of your life that you would have never imagined possible. Last BGS month, the alumnus who came over, who was our chairperson, he came up and he told the audience in general about how we have never won a Best Delegate Award or a Best Delegation Award at that time in an outside MAN. And immediately afterwards, in the next conference that we went to, we broke that duck with the entire delegation. So I'm very optimistic about the future of Manning at this school because of the great people who are inside the school who care so deeply about Manning, and the incredible talent that we got to experience inside the MAN. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Siddharth. That was a really motivating and optimistic speech for the Manners. Now I request our respected academic director, sir, to speak a few inspiring words.
Thank you. I showed a few words. Right. Yes, Gurudev. Namaste, dear delegates of the third BGS NPS MAN and other members present. Needless to mention that this pandemic has brought many unexpected changes. Changes for our daily life, daily routine, changes in the way teaching, the way we are learning, and changes in our health and profession. Lifestyle itself has changed. But nothing can destroy human determination.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Your voice is breaking. We're not able to hear.
Okay. Okay, I'll start from the beginning.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now,
Yes,
now,
please.
now,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Now it is better.
Sir. Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How is okay. I'll just see what is the problem. You're right. So I'll start from beginning. What Lakshmi?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Again, I'll start. Jai Shri Gurudev. Namaste, dear delegates of 3rd BGS NBS MAN and other members present. Is it audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are clear.
Oh, okay. Needless to mention that this pandemic has brought many unexpected changes. Changes to our daily routine, changes in the way we are teaching, the way they are learning, changes in our health and profession, lifestyle, everything has changed. But nothing can destroy human determination, has the willpower to face any critical situation. There are, in fact, this is the 6th pandemic. Already the world has faced 5 pandemics and also 2 world wars. So whatever happened, but it has taken in the right spirit and their determination, and they have come up. Same way, we are also going to overcome this pandemic. Our students and faculty members also expressed that the pandemic cannot stop academic growth. Not only academic, all other activities, whether it is cultural activities or sports, physical exercise activities, all our activities are going on. Only thing is, the change is it has taken the route of online. Our 3rd BGS NBS MAN also took up the online route. After 2 fruitful, enriching and brainstorming days, it is a concluding day now. On this occasion, let each one of us have an introspection regarding the takeaways, the benefits we got, the changes it has brought in us. Now, it was in the year 2011, during the third Global Model United Nations Conference. Then the UN Secretary General, then Ban Ki-moon, just addressed the participants. I'll just quote one sentence. He says, I quote, "Your experience in this conference will give you a full taste of the complexity of the international relations, intricacies of negotiation among the diverse people, the challenges of achieving consensus, and patience required to win progress." This is what he was addressing them and telling. Probably it is applicable to all of us. This conference might have helped an ideal way for you all to challenge yourself and improve your critical thinking, your leadership quality, global awareness, networking, building language skill, and above all, you must have developed self-confidence. Now, our appreciation to all the 4 chairs for the smooth conduct of this session. Special mention about the junior delegates we have. I think we have from 7th standard. Am I correct, Lakshmi? 7th standard, we have some junior delegates.
Yes, sir. Yes,
and they proved that the day is not far. They will take over the responsibility of organizing such a month. Congratulations to all the delegates for their excellent performance. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the departments. Here also I can see a teamwork. Humanities department is there, and also English department, science department, of course technology department we cannot ignore, because now, because of this COVID, technology, internet has become our lifeline. In fact, this technology department has played a major role in making this very successful. So all the department, I could see that there is a contribution from science department, maths department, social studies, of course, they are the leaders, and the technology, they are also the leaders, life, they have given life to it. So we congratulate all of you, the teamwork which you have shown. Of course, it is a tremendous success we have. So with this, I bless all our delegates and also the team members who helped to make this a great success, especially the technology department, the humanities department, science department, maths department, English department, all, they deserve our appreciation. May God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring speech. And if you have been helping us, encouraging us all throughout, thank you so much for your blessing us, sir. And it is because of your blessing that we have made it possible now. Thank you so much, sir. MUN trains today's students to tomorrow's leaders. To students who do MUN would one day change the world. Now I call upon the chairs to announce the placement. And order goes like this. It is ODC, DISEC, SOCUM, IPC. I request the chair of ODC to please announce the placements.
Thank you so much, Sashi ma'am. Before we begin, again, I'd like to thank Lakshmi ma'am and the student coordinator Pranav Hariharan, as well as Sashi ma'am and the whole IT department for constantly working with us, pushing us, reminding us about important dates and keeping us going. This month is for you, and we really believe that, and we saw that PJS has immense potential, especially in the coming 2 years. We really believe that you will be the batch which gets us home another trophy, just like our batch was able to do so. Without further ado, I would like to call upon Akshita to announce the awards for our committee.
One request, delegates, as your chairs call out your names, please for the placements, please switch on your camera so that we can all see you. Thank you.
Delegates of the UNODC, you all were simply amazing. We loved interacting with you all and we could sense so much potential. We really hope you all continue to MUN. That being said, I'll now be moving on to the accolades. Winning special mention in no particular order are the delegates of Argentina, Myanmar, US, and Brazil. Good job, delegates. Really well deserved.
Can we see you, delegates? Thank you. Carry on, Akshita.
Yeah. Moving on, the next winners in committee were some of the most articulate and well-spoken delegates. Winning commendable delegates are the delegates of Chile and Belize.
Delegates, if you could switch on your camera.
Thank you, delegates. Really well done.
They also have an award for the best delegate junior. It's given to the delegate who the next delegate in the score sheet who belongs to the 8th grade or lower. And for us, it's the delegate of El Salvador. She was extremely well spoken. Congratulations, delegate. If you could turn on your camera. All right, we'll move forward either ways. With that said, the top 2 placements of our committee are the top 2 honorable delegates, which is the second position. It's actually a tie, both of who have received 40.5 score to be exact. There was no influence to make sure it's a tie. It was exactly a tie. With the same scores, we have the delegate of Afghanistan and Pakistan. Brilliant job. One delegate excelled in mods, other in unmods. Really well done. If you could turn on your cameras, it would be great. Pakistan and Afghanistan, good job. With that said, our best delegate is a huge surprise to us. She is a girl from the 7th grade. A 7th grade completely beat the entire committee. She had a 22.5 lead over the committee. The second place was 40.5. She was running at 62.5 by herself. She's just a 7th grader. We have the delegate of Uruguay. I really hope, delegate of Uruguay, that you continue MUNning. You have immense potential. Do well, make us proud. Thank you to all the delegates of the ODC.
Thank you, everyone.
Now I request the chair of DISEC to please come and announce the placements.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody present here. I'm Satvik Atluri, the co-chair of the DISEC committee. I have with me my co-chair Aryan Shetty.
Good afternoon. Good evening, delegates.
And my vice chair Pranav Bhatt.
Good evening, everyone.
Delegates, we had a wonderful time being the executive board of the DISEC committee, and we hope that you too enjoyed the experience. When you find out about the prizes, we hope that this does not tarnish the memory for you if you did not get what you expected. We hope that you try to continue MUNning and improve yourself. And before we move on to the placements, I'd like to thank everyone who helped us with the MUN, the management of the school, our teachers, the IT department, our fellow EB members, all the delegates who participated. So without further ado, moving on to the prizes, I'll be announcing the special mentions in no particular order. They are the delegate of Israel, the delegate of Germany, the delegate of Qatar, and the delegate of India. Well done, delegates. We enjoyed your speeches. The energetic involvements of Germany and Qatar and the well-spoken speeches, timely speeches of India and Israel were nice to see. Thank you, delegates. Now we have the Junior Best Delegate Award. This goes to the delegate of Palestine. Delegate, you did a wonderful job sticking to your stance, representing the Palestinian people, despite not being a full member despite having just an observer status. We hope that you too consider expanding on your MUN experience and hope you enjoyed the experience. Thank you, Delegate. Now, Vice Chair Pranav Bhatt will announce further prizes.
Okay, so the commendable delegates who won this prize in committee were really good in their unmarks, and many of them even lobbied well during the formation of the resolution. So the commendable delegates in no order are the delegate of Kuwait and the delegate of Libya. Well done, delegates. Okay, now we'll be moving on to the announcement of the honorable delegates and the best delegate.
Good evening, everyone. I'll be awarding the honorable and the best delegate. So at the end, it was very close, and all the three best delegates ended up being in the same block as well. So firstly, I'll go to the honorable delegates. The honorable delegates in no particular order are delegate of Iran and delegate of Syria. Well done, delegates. Both quite experienced delegates who were well known with the rules of procedure and did well both in moderated as well as unmoderated caucuses. Delegate of Iran. Well done, delegates.
Well done, delegates.
And finally, what all of us have been waiting for, this delegate surprised us as he was a first timer and he beat two very well experienced manners as well. This delegate did very well in moderated caucus, spoke almost in all of them and lobbied as well. So, and the best delegate of the DISEC committee goes to the delegate of Jordan. Well done, delegate.
Thank you.
Thank you, delegates.
Yeah, the chairs of SOCUM, please announce the placements.
Agni and Anu. Jai Shri Gurudev. Jai Shri Gurudev and Namaste to Academic Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am. So before I tell anything, I would like to thank Lakshmi Ma'am, the Social Science faculty, the IT faculty, the Math faculty and the Science faculty for helping us make this dream come true. So first, I would like to introduce my coaches, without whom the SOCUM wouldn't have excelled. Arnav S. Nambiar and Agni S. Nambiar. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Arnav. I was the co-chair of the SOCUM committee. Committee was pretty good. I found a lot of delegates who were proficient in their speaking skills. So we'd like to thank the management for providing us a chance to represent the executive board of BGS 121, and thank all the members who supported us, like the IT department, the social department, etc., without whom the MUN could not be completed. So Pranav, I'll yeah, you can move on with the placement.
Yeah, delegates, the SOCUM was phenomenal. It was like sitting in a committee full of experienced delegates. The depth of the solutions provided by the delegates and the way the delegates lobbied, everything was right. It was all in the right direction. And the crisis too was satisfactory. The best thing about SOCUM was almost every topic was discussed. There was a topic of almost 7 topics and everything was accomplished. And we were very glad that there were so many first timers, and especially those in the 7th and 8th graders who had brought up excellent solutions. I hope they continue to MUN. Now, with due respect, I would like to ask Agni to continue with the special mentions.
All right, delegates. So I'll be presenting to you all the special mentions in no specific order. So the delegate of France, the delegate of Bangladesh, the delegate of Malaysia, and the delegate of Japan. Could you please switch on your videos? Congrats, delegates. All right, so I would ask Pranav to announce the best delegate junior.
Okay, so the best delegate junior award goes to the delegate of Argentina. She's an 8th grader and a first timer, and her immense lobbying and speeches brought her up this position. Congratulations, delegate of Argentina, Shreyan Siraj Singh. I would now request Agni to carry on with the commendable delegates awards.
The second commendable delegate was absolutely brilliant. He handled the crisis really well and raised some very important directives. The delegate of USA, Anirudh Mahinder Koteshwar. Congrats, delegate. All right, so moving on to the first commendable delegate. Okay, although being an 8th grader, this delegate was absolutely brilliant in all his modcogs and gave some of the most detailed solutions I've ever seen. The delegate of Mexico, Pranav U. Patil. Could you please switch on your video?
Thank you.
Congrats, delegate. You were absolutely brilliant. All right, to announce the honorable delegates, I would call upon Pranav again.
Right. So delegates, coming to the honorable placements. So the honorable 2 delegate was very active in UNMODS. When I say active, she was accommodating and she was also supporting other delegates. She was not willfully just speaking selfishly. She was also accommodating at the same time. Also, her solutions were very well detailed. So this goes to the delegate of Vietnam. Please switch on your camera. Thank you, delegate of Vietnam. Okay, this delegate, the honorable delegate 1 position. So this delegate actually during the press session told that coronavirus originated in the United States of America, and it was a blame that was shifted to her nation. So this delegate was an all-rounder. Her crisis was amazing. This delegate wrapped up the crisis in the perfect way we expected and was also on the winning side, luckily. So with no further ado, it goes to the delegate of People's Republic of China. Please switch on your camera.
Thank you, Chair.
I now request Arnav S. Nambia to tell the BD placement.
All right. So for the best delegate, this delegate was consistent in providing good solutions, handled the crisis really well, and led the committee to its success. So without any further ado, delegates of the SOCM, presenting you the best delegate, the delegate of Philippines.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, delegates. It was a wonderful experience working with you. Thank you.
Thank you, delegates.
Now I request the chair of IPC to please announce the placements.
Good evening to everyone once again. It's fair to say that the IPC is an unorthodox committee that asks a lot of diverse skills from its delegates, and it brings the debate of usual months and integrates it with report writing and interviewing and many other skills. So it is quite a handful at every committee. And looking at my committee, the way they went, I would have never guessed that it was filled mostly with first timers. They were that good. So without further ado, here's to all of you who performed brilliantly inside of committee. The special mention goes out to the delegate of the Times of India. Could you please turn on your video? Congratulations, delegate.
Thank you, Chair.
The commendable delegate inside committee had incredible articles. His articles showcased an obedience to the stance and the style of the organization that I have not seen in any other delegates' reports. The commendable delegate award goes out to the delegate of Jinhua.
Thank you, Chair.
Congratulations, delegate. We had a very, very close competition for the top 2 places inside of the committee, and there was very, very little to split them. The honorable delegate did it all. Wrote biased articles that were consistent with the outlet stance, while dominating committee's group discussion as well. The Honorable Delegate Award goes out to the Delegate of Fox News. Could you please switch on your camera? Congratulations, Delegate. And as for the best delegate, well, he did it all. He interviewed multiple delegates. He followed his outlet stance almost perfectly while maintaining a very dominant group discussion presence. Please give it up for the delegate of Al Jazeera. Congratulations, delegate.
Thank you.
Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, chairs, for doing the honors. And congratulations to all the delegates. Okay. I now request Mrs. Lakshmi ma'am, who has been a pillar of support and the reason for making such an event possible, to render the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Shashi. Jai Shri Gurudev. Good evening to one and all present here, sir, ma'ams, delegates, and of course chairs and my fellow teachers. It has been a wonderful 2 days of money. So at the outset, let me begin by congratulating the delegates and the EB for the 2 days of excellent money. I'm Lakshmi and I have the privilege of proposing the vote of thanks. Let me begin by saying a big thank you to our extremely supportive management, AD sir, Principal ma'am and Vice Principal ma'am. Thank you. A big thank you to our coordinators, Ms. Rekha, Ms. Smitha, Ms. Vijaya and Mr. Libimo for being the bridge of communication between the team MUN and the participants. I'm grateful to the departments of English, Science, IT and Maths and of course Social Science for helping us in the audition rounds. Special thanks to our partners and collaborators, the IT department. Thank you Babita, Suprita, Ramya and Saujanya. Thank you, dear parents, for being so supportive and encouraging. I would also like to thank my friends in the Social Science Department, especially Ms. Sashi, for her invaluable contribution to this event. Thank you, Arabi, for your invocation song, which set the tempo for our conference. Saving the best for the last, delegates, for the invigorating and spectacular display of strategy and diplomacy. Hope you continue this journey in the money arena. A huge shout out. This I would say is the icing on the cake. A huge shout out for our dynamic executive board, the chairs, Siddharth, Satvik, Aryan, the two Pranavs, Pranav Bhatt and Pranav Hariharan, Ujjan, Akshita, and the twins as we know them, Arnav and Agne, for their commitment and patience. They were the driving force behind the third edition of BGS Month. Let me share, I know I'm going a little bit off the record, but I become very emotional during the month. Let me just share this here. This has been a long journey for all of us. We had started, I think January, that was a time I think when we started this planning, and in between it stopped. And then again, these chairs of yours, wonderful chairs, they came to me and said, no, ma'am, we have to do it. And that is where we again started off. So hats off to all the chairs and the delegates. Thank you all. I would like to end by saying, teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you all. Shashi, it's all yours.
Yeah. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am, for your speech. I would like to end my speech with the quote. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. By Christian D. Larson, who was a New Thought leader, American New Thought leader and a teacher. I thank the management for giving me this opportunity for hosting the third edition of the BGS Month 21. Now let's rise for the national anthem. Suprita ma'am.
Shashi, the closing of the month, please.
Yeah. Now I request Principal Ma'am, Academic Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am to declare the month close.
I think it is better all the three together do it. Principal
Yes,
and Vice Principal, just unmute.
Yes. Yes, sir.
We'll start together. We hereby declare the third BGS NPS
BGS
Model United Nations session
Model United Nations
closed.
21 closed.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Sir, Ma'am, VP Ma'am, Principal Ma'am. Suprita Ma'am, can we have the national anthem now? Let's rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, VP Ma'am. Thank you, friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Thank you all. Thank you.
And all the
Thank you.
kids also, they have done extremely well. Well, keep it up. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chairs,
Thank you,
please stay back. Chairs,
Thank you,
please.
Lakshmi ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you
Thank
all
you.
dear students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very well organized.
Thank you, Lakshmi.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent participation by all the delegates. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am.